And so we thought, let us answer the question you always wanted answered. How do honeybees make honey? Let's begin. Honey, as we all know, begins as nectar. This sugary liquid is produced by flowers to encourage pollinators to visit. Other than honeybees, it also attracts a wide variety of birds and insects. Now nectar is 70 to 80% water, with a mixture of sucrose, glucose and fructose, plus some scent chemicals, to help draw bees to the flowers. Honeybees suck nectar through a straw-like tongue, called proboscis, and store it in the first chamber of their stomach, called the proventriculus. An enzyme called invertase breaks the sucrose down into a simpler glucose and fructose molecules. Other enzymes raise the acidity of the nectar, which helps kill bacteria. Bees can carry up to half their body weight, and have one of the highest power output rates in the animal kingdom. This lets them forage up to 5 kilometers from the hive, but at this range, most of the nectar payload is used for the flight home. Back at the hive, forager bees regurgitate the nectar. It's then passed between worker bees, mouth to mouth, to reduce its water level. The design of the honeycomb, and constant fanning of the bees' wings causes evaporation, creating the sweet liquid we call honey. Generally speaking, honey is formed when the interior of the hive is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and the moisture levels have reduced. Once the water content drops to 17% to 18%, mold and bacteria can't grow, and the nectar becomes honey. It is now the worker bee's task to push this freshly prepared honey into the hive's wax chambers. When the spring and early summer arrives, it's time for the bee colony to use all its honey to feed the larvae, building its workforce to a summer peak of 50,000 bees. These workers then spend 2 to 3 weeks, madly gathering nectar to last the winter. And it isn't easy. It takes 12 bees their entire lifetime to make a teaspoon of honey. All the more reason to value and cherish this natural wonder even more. Hoping you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay safe.